Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. Today I bring you another important career news. There is a vacancy at Delhi Public School with salary as per 7 pay commission. If you are a teacher or looking to join a reputed school, this video is for you. Stay tuned till end for eligibility and how to apply. Now let's see in detail. So the application are invited from trained and experienced graduate and postgraduate for following post, and make sure you should have excellent academic record and fluent in English and public speaking. So vacancy is for PGT, English, psychology, chemistry, physics, economics, mathematics, computer science, artificial intelligence, legal studies and physical education. For TGT, vacancy is for English, Hindi, mathematics, social science, science, computer science, Sanskrit and fine art. For PRT, vacancy is for English, Hindi, Sanskrit, French, German, Spanish, mathematics, science, social science, computer science, music, western vocal and percussion, dance, fine art, swimming and general teacher. There's other non-teaching staff vacancy also, like life skill coach, special educator, career counselor and theatre instructor. Now qualification required is postgraduate and graduate in their relevant subject, and they should have B.Ed and seated especially for teacher teaching classes up to 8. An essential experience, if you have 4 to 5 years of teaching experience and your age should be below 40 years. Now let's see the salary. For salary they have clearly mentioned it will be as per DPS society norms, which is nothing but 7 pay commission. So according to this 7 pay commission, PRT teacher should get salary around 60,000, TGT should get around 75,000 and PGT will get salary around 85,000 and more. Remember, these are the minimum I have told. Now let us see the vacancy is for which school. So this vacancy is for DPS RN extension Ghaziabad. Now let us see how you can apply for this. So you interested candidate can apply online using this website dpsrnext.com, and this they should apply within 10 days. Remember, this advertisement was released on 3rd December time session. So 10 days means you should apply it before 13 December only. And remember, only shortlisted candidate will be called for interview. Now let us see how you can apply online using this website. So as mentioned, this is the website. You need to come /career. Now if you scroll down here, then they have clearly mentioned that either you can send your resume on this mail ID or you can click here to apply. But as newspaper advertisement says, you need to apply through this online only. So now let's click here. Once you click on it, you will get this application form, staff recruitment application form. Here you need to fill all this detail like apply post detail. So here first you need to select the function area. If you're a teacher, then select teaching, otherwise you can select non-teaching. Then institute is that only DPS RN extension Ghaziabad. Then you need to select the department. That department is not for teaching, I think. Then location is also, nature of job obviously full time, then post applied. So you need to select the post for which you are applying, whether pre-primary, PRT, TGT, PGT, assistant teacher, principal, vice principal, all posts are mentioned. So whatever post you are applying, you can do it. And you need to upload your photograph also using this part. Then you need to fill your personal detail here, all your name, date of birth, email ID, mobile number, marital status, number of children, then your address. You need to put your residential address, means where you are at present, not your permanent address. Then your qualification detail you need to enter from class 10th till post graduation or graduation, then B.Ed and seated. Then area of interest, you need to write your area of interest like drama, debate, film, gardening, whatever interest you are having, you need to select minimum 3 area of interest. Then you need to fill the employment detail. So you need to go in the reverse order. First you need to fill your current employer, then before this employer where you have worked, then third in that sequence only you need to add minimum 3 employer details, past 3. Then total experience in teaching, administrative and any other. Then particular of present job, you need to fill the detail again of the present job. Then other information like if you are suffering from any medical problem or any disciplinary action against you, then you need to fill 2 reference detail also, and make sure that reference should not be your relative. So you can give reference of your principal, either your present principal or past principal or your colleague, but make sure you give the reference of only those people who are going to speak positive about you. Then you need to fill other detail also, and you need to upload your resume here, and make sure your resume should be in JPG or PDF format only. Then check this box I agree, and then enter the captcha and click on submit button. And here one more question is there, whether you have been interviewed before. If yes, then you need to enter the interview date and location. If no, then no need to fill this thing. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hype, like and subscribe to MJ Manjari and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future video on teacher career advice, salary breakdown and exam teacher resource. In comment below, let me know which subject do you teach. Are you planning to apply for this vacancy? I will be happy to help. See you in the next video. All the best for your application.